Kai, why is her photo on our table?
I printed it for a project board. Do not touch it.
You like Iris, right?
Yes, I told you last week.
You told me she is your classmate.
She is my classmate and my friend.
I wanted to ask her out on Saturday.
I already asked her to see a street show on Saturday.
You did not tell me that.
You did not tell me your plan either.
I found 2 movie tickets in your bag.
I found a flower receipt in your jacket.
So we both planned something.
Yes, and now we are angry.
I feel hot in my face.
My hands shake a little.
I do not want to fight you,
I do not want to hurt you.
but I like her.
I like her too.
What do we do now?
We can talk like brothers, not like rivals.
Okay, sit down. Breathe.
Let us tell each other the full story from the start.
Deal. Full story. I met Iris at the book club last month. We spoke about films.
I met her in lab group. We worked on a poster.
I thought she smiled at me in a special way.
I thought she stayed late to talk to me.
Maybe she is kind to both of us.
Maybe we read too much into small things.
I planned flowers and a simple walk.
I planned a street show and tea after.
Did she say yes to your plan?
She said, "That sounds fun." Let me check my time.
Not a clear yes.
Did she say yes to you?
I did not ask yet. I was waiting for the perfect day.
We built big dreams in our heads.
And we forgot to talk to each other.
We are brothers first.
Right?
What does respect look like now?
We can ask her feelings and we accept her answer.
We do not push. We do not hide.
We tell her we will stay kind no matter what.
Yes,
I feel calmer.
me too. Let us check our phones and messages. Look at this text. Iris wrote, "Thanks, team." She called us a team after class.
In my chat, she wrote, "Good luck on your film idea." Friendly, not flirty.
Here is a selfie from the lab. We all smiled. She stood between 2 classmates.
Here is the book club photo. Many people, not just us.
Maybe we saw signals that were not there.
The heart emoji. She uses it with everyone in the group.
The late talk? She waited for the bus with 3 of us.
So the picture is different now.
We still like her, but we also like truth.
I feel a bit silly, but also lighter.
Same.
Let us write one message together.
Hi, Iris. Can we ask a clear question? We both like you. We also care for our brother bond. What do you feel? We will respect your choice.
That is honest and kind.
Send.
Send.
My phone buzzed.
Read it.
She says, "Thank you for being honest. I like you both as friends. I am seeing someone from my running club."
Okay, that is clear.
She also wrote, "Please come to the poster fair tomorrow. I need your help at the booth."
So she trusts us as teammates.
I feel a small ache, but also relief.
Same. The world did not end.
We almost broke our bond for a guess.
But we chose respect.
Thank you for speaking with me, not against me.
Thank you for writing the message with me.
What do we do with the movie tickets?
We can go together. Brothers' night.
And the flower receipt?
I will give the flower to Mom.
She will love that.
Look at the sky. It turns gold.
Gold is a good color for a new start.
Kai, I am sorry for reading your bag.
I am sorry for hiding my plan.
New rule 1. We tell each other early about big feelings.
New rule 2. We never fight for a person like a prize.
People are not prizes.
Right? We ask, we listen, we accept.
New rule 3. If we both like the same person again, we pause and talk first.
And we protect our bond.
I am proud of us today.
Me too. We learned and did not break.
Tomorrow at the fair, we help Iris with the booth and we smile for real.
Yes. No strange looks, no silent war.
Agreed.
Want to practice how to say hello without looking weird?
Hi, Iris. Team ready.
Perfect.
Give me a high five.
High five. The movie starts at 7. We can grab noodles first.
Good plan. We can also stop by the store for Mum's flower.
I will choose a bright one.
Yellow like the sunset we saw.
And like your hoodie,
And like a new day.
I am glad we are okay.
Brothers first. Always.
Always.
Tomorrow we cheer for the poster fair.
And next week, we play ball in the park.
Deal.
Let us leave the house with light hearts.
Light hearts and 2 tickets.
Not a date, but a good night.
A very good night.